How to do article submission in SEO. Complete guide, article submission. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process to enhance your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic. What is article submission? Article submission is the process of submitting high-quality articles to various article directories, websites, or blogs. This technique helps in gaining backlinks, increasing traffic, and improving the search engine ranking of your website. Benefits of article submission. It boosts your online presence, drives targeted traffic to your site, and establishes you as an authority in your niche. Moreover, it helps in building quality backlinks which are crucial for SEO. 1. Write high-quality articles. Ensure your content is informative, engaging, and free of grammatical errors. Focus on topics relevant to your niche and include targeted keywords naturally within the content. Remember, quality over quantity is key. 2. Choose the right article submission sites. Look for high-authority websites with good domain authority and a large readership. Popular sites include Ezine articles, ArticleBiz, and Hub Pages. Make sure to read and follow their submission guidelines. 3. Create an account. Sign up on your chosen article submission sites. Complete your profile with accurate information, including your name, bio, and website link. A well-optimized profile increases your credibility and visibility. 4. Submit your article. Log into your account and find the article submission section. Paste your article content, ensuring it meets the site's formatting requirements. Add a catchy title, relevant keywords, and a compelling summary. 5. Include author bio and links. At the end of your article, include a brief author bio. This should highlight your expertise and contain a link back to your website. This not only drives traffic, but also improves your SEO through backlinks. 6. Review and submit. Before hitting the submit button, double-check your article for any errors. Ensure all links are working correctly. Submit your article and wait for approval. This process may take a few days depending on the website. 7. Monitor your submissions. Finally, monitor your submissions. Keep track of which articles are approved and published. Check the performance of your articles by monitoring the traffic and engagement they generate. Adjust your strategy based on the results. Conclusion. In conclusion, article submission is a powerful SEO technique that can significantly boost your website's ranking and traffic. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize article submission to enhance your online presence.